To our school director, Captain General Arca Hukom alias PA, Sir. To Division to Maria Selinor Hiswat LPT, Ma'am. To our teachers, parents, visitors, and fellow completers, a pleasant afternoon. Today marks an end to our journey as kindergarten and the beginning of our journey as graders. As we look back on the start of our class, we were shy, quiet, and timid. But now, look at us. We are now known as Little Rascals. From naming alphabets to running around the school ground. But beyond all the fun and games, we've also learned important lessons that will stay with us for a lifetime. We've learned the value of friendship, kindness, and teamwork. We've learned that it's okay to make mistakes as long as we're willing to learn from them. As we prepare to move on to first year of cadence and beyond, let us carry these lessons with us wherever we go. Let us welcome the challenges with the same excitement and curiosity that we brought to our time in kindergarten. And let us never forget the incredible potential that lies within every one of us. On behalf of my fellow graduates, I would like to thank Teacher Queenie for her patience and guidance and for making learning fun and memorable. To parents and guardians, especially to my mommy and daddy, my mama and dada, ate and kuya, titos and titas, and my ninang. Thank you for your unending love and support. To all my fellow graduates, I say congratulations. Today is a day to celebrate our accomplishments and to look forward to the bright futures that await us. According to Sheldon Cooper, change can be scary, but I know we are going to be fine. Once again, congratulations, and to God be all the glory.
Thank you.